What's that?
Bracelet. And look the candy po. Then square po. Open mo po.
Later na kasi meron ka pa yung bracelet mo. Show mo yung bracelet. Candy bracelet yan. It's yummy. Messi? Messi nga. Oh, candy bracelet.
Let's go eat it.
You see?
Too yummy. It's like cotton candy.
It's like a cotton candy. Di mo ma... It's hard to bite. It is hard to bite.
Yes. Bite mo din.
Bite ko din. Naku, lalo na ako, di ko mababite yan. Ano? Hirap?
Yes.
Baka it's not a candy nga. Ha? It's just taste like a candy. Ito. It's so sweet.